What if I told you you could build your own mobile app without writing a single line of code? Meet Chihiro, a determined student from Japan who studies 6 hours a day. He dreams of creating a powerful SaaS app to boost his productivity, one that automatically summarizes everything he learns in a few sentences and includes a smart study timer that helps him focus. But there's a problem. Chihiro doesn't know how to code, and hiring a developer way out of his budget. That's where Lovable AI comes in to help Chihiro build his app with just a prompt without coding. In today's Vibe coding tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build an app using only AI. Yes, step by step. Even if you have zero coding skills, whether it's for productivity, journaling, or a unique idea like Chihiro's, this Lovable AI tutorial is your ultimate guide to building apps with AI. So grab your idea and let's build an app together. Before we build the app, there's one thing you need first: an idea. Don't worry if you are stuck. You can actually ask ChatGPT to help you come up with one. Just type something like, "Give me a simple app idea for students," and it will suggest one for you. Now, in this video, we are going to build Chihiro's study app. It's a simple app with two features. One, a study timer to help him stay focused, and two, a space where he can summarize what he learns sorted by subject. Once you know what your app will do, ask ChatGPT to write a clear prompt for you. That's the message you copy and paste into Lovable AI. Let's do that now. First, go to Lovable AI. Here is what the dashboard looks like. If it's your first time here, you need to sign up. It's quick and free. Signing up also helps you save your app so you don't lose any work. Now, find the input space. Paste your app prompt in here and press enter. That's it. Now, sit back, relax, and watch Lovable AI build your app for you. No coding, no stress. Just click and go. Please remember, if your app needs back-end capabilities like user authentication, data storage, payments, and other AI features, then you need to connect the Lovable AI Superbus. This will allow your app to execute those capabilities. Simply click on the Superbus icon on the upper right corner of your screen and connect. In this mobile app, we need to store the number of hours Chihiro studies and his summary notes. So I have connected the Superbus to this app. After just a few minutes, the app is ready. And look at this, a clean, simple, and beautiful interface. Now, let's take a minute to test it and make sure everything works the way we want. The first app, the 25-minute study timer. I'll go ahead and click Start Study Session. You'll see the timer starts counting down right away, second by second. There's also this cool green circle animation happening on the screen. It shows you how much time has passed and how much is left. I didn't even ask for that. Lovable AI added it automatically, and honestly, I love it. Now, the pause and play feature. If we want to pause the timer, I just click this little icon and yep, I can resume it again with the same button. I didn't also include this in my original prompt, but Lovable AI knew it was a basic timer feature and added it for me. Nice one, Lovable AI. Now, the sound toggle. There's also a music sound off and on icon here, but right now it doesn't do anything yet because we haven't added any music or sound effects yet. That's something we can fix or update later. Let's see what happens when we finish a study session. I go ahead and click End Session button. It instantly takes me to a new screen where I'm asked to type a quick summary of what I just learned. It's super helpful because it gives you a moment to reflect and write down your key takeaways so you actually remember what you studied. Next, I can choose the subjects I was studying, like math, science, history, whatever, and then just hit save. Now, here is the cool part. Because this app is connected to Superbus, that's our back end, all this info gets saved safely and it shows up right inside the app whenever I want to review it later. So every time I study, summarize and save, I'm actually building a personal learning archive inside my own app. Pretty awesome, right? Let's take things a step further and customize our app a bit more. The great thing is Lovable AI saves all your progress automatically, so you can always go back to your app from the home page and keep working on it. I wanted to change the background image of the app to something more fun and relaxing, so I simply typed into the chat space, add an option to change background images with a list of nature photos, and just like that, Lovable AI updates the app in seconds. Now I've got a beautiful collection of nature backgrounds to choose from. If I click on any image from the list, the background changes instantly to that picture. Super cool, right? Next, I wanted to give users the option to set their own timer instead of being stuck with only 25 minutes. So I typed add a timer where users can input any custom study time they want. Just a few seconds after I typed my request, Lovable AI updated the app to include a custom timer feature. So now I can set any study time I want. For example, I type 60 minutes into the timer box. Guess what? There are also little up and down arrows you can click to adjust the time without typing. Super smooth and really fun to use. Pro tip: when you are building your app with Lovable AI, don't be afraid to keep editing and tweaking until it looks and works exactly the way you want. You are in full control here. Make it perfect. Now, once you're happy with everything, it's time to publish your app. Just look at the top right corner and click Publish button. Lovable AI will automatically generate a URL for your app, so you can start sharing it right away. And if you want to get fancy, you can even connect your own custom domain name. Once it's all set, just hit Publish again and boom, your app is live on the web for the world to see.